How to reduce mold and mildew. Mold and mildew, the unwanted guests that can turn our homes from havens to health hazards. But fear not. With the right strategies, you can banish these unwelcome intruders and reclaim your indoor spaces. First things first, prevention is key. Let's start by tackling moisture, the primary culprit behind mold and mildew growth. Ensure proper ventilation in moisture-prone areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Use exhaust fans, open windows, or install a dehumidifier to reduce humidity levels. Inspect your home regularly for leaks in pipes, roofs, and windows. Address any leaks promptly to prevent moisture buildup. Keep indoor spaces clean and clutter-free. Mold and mildew thrive in cluttered environments, so declutter regularly to eliminate hiding spots. Regular cleaning is essential for mold prevention. Use mold-resistant cleaners and disinfectants to wipe down surfaces, especially in bathrooms and kitchens. Seal cracks and gaps in walls, windows, and doors to prevent moisture from seeping in. This simple step can make a big difference in mold prevention. For areas prone to high humidity, like basements, consider installing a ventilation system to improve airflow and reduce moisture buildup. Apply waterproof sealant to basement walls and floors to prevent water seepage. Consider installing a sump pump to remove excess water and prevent basement flooding. But what if mold has already taken hold? Fear not. When dealing with mold, safety first. Wear protective gear such as gloves, goggles, and a mask to avoid exposure to harmful spores. Natural remedies like vinegar and water can be effective for removing mold from surfaces. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water. Spray the solution on affected areas and scrub with a brush. After removing mold, consider applying a mold-resistant paint to prevent future growth. These paints contain additives that inhibit mold and mildew growth. With these tips and strategies, you can keep mold and mildew at bay, creating a healthier and happier indoor environment for you and your loved ones. In conclusion, by implementing proactive measures to control moisture, maintaining cleanliness, and promptly addressing any signs of mold or mildew, you can effectively prevent their growth and ensure a healthier indoor environment for you and your loved ones. Remember, vigilance and regular maintenance are key to keeping mold and mildew at bay. With the strategies outlined in this guide, you can confidently tackle mold and mildew issues, reclaiming your home as a safe and welcoming space where you can thrive. Here's to a mold-free future and a happier, healthier home for all.